Hi guys, you're welcome back. Chrisville and Kachi shock fans as they pulled out their lovers' wig while taking pictures together. The ultimate love housemates Kachi and Chrisville made fun of their lovers Rosie and Chris by pulling out their wigs during a photo shoot. Kachi and Chrisville are both fond of pranks in a way to light up a moment with their lovers. The Ultimate Love platform happened to be a turnaround for these Ultimate Love housemates as they were able to find love which they desire. Kachi found Rosie as well as Chris found Chrisville. And as Chris, she happened to be lucky as there was a time the Ultimate Love house that she was the only female and housemate left to be paired until she met Chrisville. The two couples have not stopped to wow their fans with different posts online about their love life with their spouse. Roxy and Double Chris happen to be the most talked about couple online because they are all close friends. Their fans also commented as Kachi and Chrisville shows a moment of love by pulling out their spouse wig as they took pictures together. These are the comments, and that was how it happened. So guys, what do you think about Kachi's and Rosie relationship as well as Chris and Chrisville relationship? I think they are real for me and they're doing just fine. If you're a true fan, please drop a comment below for them. Alright, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.